What's up, y'all? It's Timmy, and I'm gonna take you to a really crazy 4th of July event. Let's go. We're on our way up to the Glacier View car launch, and essentially you're gonna see cars flying 300 feet off a cliff and blowing up. It's pretty sweet. It's how we do it in Alaska. Alaskan 4th of July. So that's all I'm gonna say. Let's start heading north. So we're heading to the tiny town of Glacier View up near Madanuska Glacier, and that's where all the fun goes down. Oh man, here we are. Coming into the crowds. There's gonna be a whole bunch of people here. So the entire car jump event is down the hill, right in the river level, and the car is launched from up here, from up high. So we're gonna go down there and get all set up and take it from there. We're one wheeling down, a ton of people here. So we're gonna go down towards the river. That's where they launch cars, so that's the plan. So I guess they started this in like 2005. So I've been doing this for 15 odd years.
Okay.
Yeah, so I think this hill is about a quarter of a mile down, and everyone just basically staged at the bottom. Get the one wheel locked up right down here on Madanuska River. Cars are flying off that cliff right up here. Shots up in here, yo.
Absolutely.
How long you guys been doing this?
It's the first time.
First time. It's all nice. What's going on?
Hey, are you shooting with something?
Guys.
We got a little. Hey, they already got a conflict. Everybody keep their friends in here. We're going to run on the camera. Okay, we're going to run the camera.
Yeah, boys. Send it till you end it.
Got it,
yeah,
boys.
We put that road in that y'all walking, we put that road in yesterday because the other road got washed out the day before.
Fast minute. Really fast. Like a 5-second minute.
Alrighty, how about that for the first one out of the street? Flag of the United States of America.
And to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. Oh, say does that star-spangled banner yet wave for the land of the free and
She made it all the way to the end of the bluff. Not very many of them make it all the way off the bluff. That was off the sharp runway. And there she's planted. Moment of silence for our dear friend, the Toyota Matrix.
God.
What a way to go!
I'm guessing they calculated that about right.
Here's the revving up of one. Go.
It seemed like it's coming this way for a second.
And now, if everybody's been keeping up with the news there around Watson Lake, they had that huge washout where nobody's passing through there. So they were getting close to that area, and they did a U-turn and went way back down south to get some Cassiar to come up that way. And so they drove non-stop for 2 days and 2 nights till he pulled in there last night, just cross-eyed and cross-threaded, but they made it. And so anyway, we're gonna be launching. There was that black supercharger, which that is that police car, that police pursuit. That thing's a hot little baby there, that Charger. And then they brought one from Wisconsin, that Ford F-150, and then the Jaguar. And so the Jaguar started from California. So they put a lot of effort and energy to be here, and we welcomed them because that was the first time they did a cannonball run out of the 48 states back up through here. They got the logistics and everything just running through Canada, and you don't just run through Canada. Canada's a good-sized country. So just a big shout out to our buddies on the Cannonball Runners for all the effort. That takes a lot of energy, and then besides a lot of kachingas at the gas pump just to get here. So anyway, the Jaguar will be coming up down the trail. A camping trip. What tattoo, what a job. They're still coming out over here. Look at you, straight on, the Chevy Equinox. How do you know what? There she is. Oh, whoa! We got a spinner! Woo! The last pursuit of its entire life, right here. Here to rumble!
That's pretty close. So there you have it. That was the, I can't remember how many annual car jumps. Pretty sweet, pretty American, you could say. Pretty awesome. Anyway, that's all she wrote. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Smash that like button, subscribe to the channel if you want to see more of this stuff. See you next time.